In this example, we will find the domain and range of both a continuous graph and a discrete graph. Our first graph is continuous because the curve is unbroken over part of the graph. Our domain values, or x values, start at 0, but don't include 0 because there is an open dot, and continue indefinitely to the right. So our domain is x is greater than 0. Our range values start at 2 and continue indefinitely down, but they don't include 2 because there is an open dot at that point. So our range values are y is less than 2. Now discrete domain and range looks a little different. We know this is a discrete graph because it is not continuous from point to point. Continuous graphs are unbroken over part of the graph, and that's not true for this one. Our domain values are going to be the x values, and we're going to list them in set notation. We see that our points include the x values of -5, -2, 1, and 4, so we will include those points in the domain. And we'll repeat the process for the range, or the y values. We see that we have y values at -4, -2, 0, and 2, which we will list in set notation for our range.